New to special effects makeup? Get in here. I put together some of the essential products you'll be needing as a beginner in the special effects industry. Now let's get straight into it. Liquid latex. This is one of the most versatile special effects products in the market. Can be used as an adhesive, to seal wax, to create wounds, aging looks, peeling skin, and lots more. Check out my previous videos for detailed tutorials. Next is Prozaid. Prozaid is an amazing adhesive used to adhere prosthetics, fake beards, bald caps, etc. Rigid collodion. This product is super great for scarring, to create old wounds and tribal marks and lots more. Next on my list is Spirit Gum. Very good. It dries matte and gives a very natural finishing. I strongly recommend you have this in your kit. Strongly recommend. Up next is Scar Wax. This can be used to create realistic scars, wounds. I recommend this, and I have tons of videos and tutorials on my page, so go check it out. Bruise Wheel, as the name implies, it's ideal for creating realistic bruise effects directly on your skin. Skin Illustrator is the next. This alcohol-based palette is a very good buy. It is long-lasting on the skin, good for stage plays and film productions. If you have productions where you need your makeup to last on the skin for a long time, regardless of the actor sweating or not, Skin Illustrator is your go-to. Next up is Sculpt Gel. This product, I would never run out of it. This Sculpt Gel, you can use it to sculpt any form of prosthetic directly on your skin. I have tutorials on my page as well. Spatula. With the use of spatula, you can sculpt and create so many things. Stipple Sponge. Blend away your rough prosthetic edges with this product and thank me later. Everybody needs a black face paint. Like, everybody needs it in their kits, so I highly recommend this one. Then to activate your Skin Illustrator palette, you'll be needing 99.9 isopropyl alcohol. Pardon me. Next up is silicone. Yes, very needed. All forms of prosthetics can be created with this, be it prosthetic handle, Lego, etc. There are different types of silicone. I'll make a separate video explaining that and their uses. Mind you, you can get all of these products from SFX Mart on Instagram. I got you guys. Fake blood. Of course, you'll be needing lots of this, like tons of this in your kits as a beginner or as a professional in the industry. Baby oil should be in your kits, guys. I don't know how to emphasize this. You need baby oil. You can use it to smooth out edges and all of that stuff. Next up, fake hair. Fake hair to create fake beards, to fill up bald spots on the head, using adhesives like Spirit Gum and Prozaid. You guys get all of these products from SFS Mart. I would always put you on the best, and the best, tested and trusted. White face paints, of course, I highly recommend. As useful as the black face paint is, that's how useful the white face paint is as well. And of course, you'll be needing a set of brushes and sculpting tools. They are very essential in your kits. Very essential. Need I forget, baby wipes, hand gloves, and hand sanitizers should be your best friend. They should be your best friend. You guys, you need it in your kits. Hygiene is very important. Thank you guys for watching this. I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Bye for now.